Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a speech for International Yoga Day. Good morning to everyone present here. I am honored to speak a few words on International Yoga Day, celebrated every year on 21st June. This date is significant as it is the longest day in the northern hemisphere, symbolizing light, energy, and life. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that promotes the union of the mind, body, and spirit. It is about physical fitness, mental clarity, emotional balance, and inner peace. Declared by the United Nations in 2014, this day recognizes yoga's contribution to health and well-being. In today's busy lifestyle, yoga gives us the tools to lead a stress-free and disciplined life. Let us all make a commitment to include yoga in our daily routine. It's not just a form of exercise. It's a way to life. A gift from India to the world. Thank you and have a peaceful International Yoga Day.